Hi, my name is Carolyn Johnson. What I've done for you is I've actually recorded this PowerPoint on Screenamatic because I wasn't actually able to copy the PowerPoint presentation, so I did do this a short video for you. Also, I wanted to let you know that I truly enjoyed your class and I have learned a lot from you. And thank you so much for making my last class at Rasmussen enjoyable. Okay, here we go. Enjoy the video.